How to disable Windows 10 login password and lock screen. So if you also have to type in the password every time you open up Windows, that could be very annoying. So that's why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove it. First of all, head over to Start and then head over to Settings. From here, click on Accounts and then Sign In Options. Now here, come over to Require Sign In and make sure that you select the Never option. The next thing you can do to remove the password is click on Password here and then click on Change. Firstly, enter in your current password and click Next. Now this is also the section to change your password, but if you continue without typing in any password, your password will be removed from this device. So do not type in anything and then click Next. Now as you can see, the change has now been removed and the ad is now showing up, which means that the password which this device has now been removed. So that's how you can remove login password and lock screen on Windows.